Hello everyone, we are here to give you a quick walkthrough of Peko, a food delivery app developed by me, Akila, and Jen. Peko is a full-stack modern application that gives users the choice to go through their dishes by providing a certain filter on the taste of the dish, the budget of the dish, and the type of the dish. The objective of this project was to create a website taught by the technologies in CS5610 Fall 2022 Web Development class under Professor John Alexis. The tech stack for this project is we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and mainly React for the front end, and MongoDB for the database, and Express for backend. This website provides functionalities such as you can see this in two perspectives. One is the user focused and the other one is the order focused. In the user focus, a user can register on this website, log in and log out, update their information such as address, phone number, and delete their account. From the order perspective, user can order food based on their filter or go through menu on the entirety. The implementations in this website that we are proud of is, personally, I'm proud of updating user information feature where I had to retrieve the data from the MongoDB and show it to the user and allow them to update and change it back to the backend. Jin, please continue with the project.
And for me, I think I'm most proud of the techniques I just learned and use it in the project. That is the hooks and rows of the React technologies, and that can dynamically render the meal list based on the filtering options.
For our struggle part, I personally struggled with connecting front end to the back end. I was very confused with the API calls. I at one point made so many of them that the app would take like an entire minute to go from one page to another.
Yeah, and for me, I had a hard time to understand how to use the effect hook to fetch data from backend. And finally, I figured out how to use it and the meaning of the parameters and its trigger time.
Now we'll give a quick code walkthrough and website demo. This project is built using React on the front end heavily and then on the back end as Express. To run this project in your local, we first start the backend server with npm start, and this will run in 3001 port. And then we start the front end with yarn. So if you're a new user, you can register here. I'll just do test demo. That's it. After sign up, it will take you to the login page and it will verify if your password is matching with the username, and if it does not, it will throw you an error. So you have to enter the correct password. And for my user functionality, I had implemented login and sign up. And after sign up, we'll see a user first name here, and we have something called user hub, where you get the details which you had input, and the password is again encrypted, and you can update your address and your phone number, and it will show successfully update. You can also update your password, and once you sign out, now I'm currently using the old password, it should give an error. So to see, this password was updated, and you can see it in the database, but then we have hashed our password, so we can't see that change. And if at all the user wants to delete the account, they can just go here and delete it. Now over to Jin for the menu demo.
Okay, let me share the screen from my side. Could you please quit your share screen?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, otherwise I cannot interrupt you. For me, I mainly implemented the menu list, mirror list here. You can see there's 1,000 mock dish status in the database, and once the page is loaded, then it will render this 1,000 items, and I can use these three options to filter the data I want. First, to do example, I choose a burger, and the taste maybe sweet, and budget maybe $11, and I click the search button, and it will give me the result, and I can maybe slow. Sorry, maybe I I need to say it again. Didn't work. Yeah. No, maybe the wait a moment. Let me first go to the.
Okay, for me, I mainly implemented the menu, the meals list, and you can see as page loaded, there are about 1,000 mock items that were displayed in this page, and you can use these three options to filter the items. For example, if I choose type of vegetarian and the taste is sweet, and type in a number, and I can filter the this type of dishes that is here, and when I choose these items, it will give me how many items I select, and its total price, and then I can click the order now button to make an order, and it will go to this this deliver this successful page. This is basically my part. So Akira, you can continue.
Thank you, Jin. Now we'll just go through a code walkthrough of how we've implemented this. This is our front end, and each React component is broken down into the smallest where the data needs to be stored. We have separate folders for our pages where we store different pages, and then these pages contains the breakdown of components. And for the backend, we have followed the structure where app.js is the main, and then we have one for routes, and the DB is another folder, and we have our front end in the backend folder, and we have used yarn build to serve the static files to the backend. Thank you so much.
Thank you.